what's going on, everyone? In this video I'm going to show you how I turned $7 to $22 and I get back my investment. So you can rely on this business model, and it's not a scam. Actually, it's an amazing thing that I'm being involved. So feel free to subscribe and like this video, guys, if you get some value, because I'm going to document my journey and the process of making money through affiliate marketing. So OLSP System Academy, it's a great system for beginners, also for people that want to make some extra cash or maybe for business with affiliate marketing. So we know exactly, guys, that sometimes you don't have enough money in order to start a legit business, because nowadays it's hard really to start a business because you need money for ads, you need a team, you need all that stuff. This is why you've seen these YouTubers claiming to make a lot of money, or actually they just relying on making money off of you through many marketing methods, or maybe they just relying on YouTube ads. So there is many claims, many videos. I've seen many videos, guys. That's bullshit. So all right, how I made this. So basically, affiliate marketing is promoting someone else's product. So you don't need have to fulfill anything or do customer service. We just having this link and we promote it through social media. One of the main social media that I'm using right now in order to make a couple of sales is through YouTube. YouTube is one of the best, largest platform, which is the second search engine, because people are looking for ways to, in order to make money. What's the best legit business that I can start? So you name it, you all you have to do is just make a couple videos. I'm going to share all the process, so without boring stuff, I'm going to share everything that I know, and feel free if you want to join or not. Maybe it's not for you, maybe it's for you, but the main way that I'm documenting my journey is because I think it's a clever way in order to gain money, not to make a lot of money, but actually to save money in order to help your business to grow, also help yourself maybe doing another business, or maybe you have this dream or this idea or anything that you can do online, but actually you find it very, very hard for you in order to get to the process and knowing everything, because it's hard to know a lot of things without paying at least someone in order to help you on maybe getting you to 50% of the route in order to make it easier for you. So this is why I joined this affiliate marketing system, is because I want to gain money. I want to save enough money in order to help my business, also making my second business, because I have an idea of making a business, but I need a lot of money. So if you're a beginner like me and you want to make some extra money, our job is being an affiliate marketer, and inside there is a lot of products, digital products. Like this is the main digital product I've been through. I learned some of the things here from here, and there is many things that they offer here, like they give you 500 reels in order to use or repurpose on your social media in order to get attraction, so people will follow you. And you know, inside Instagram or TikTok there is a way that you can put your link, and people, once they click on that link, they're going to be redirected to a page which is your affiliate link. It has your ID, everything. So once people are purchasing something from you, you will get a commission. So basically we're going to start with a $7 sign up process, so which is okay to me. $7 or maybe even $25, $30, maybe up to $50. It's affordable. It's affordable for everyone in order to start this business. But the main process is it's going to be a little bit challenging, because people, they quick so fast, because they they want that easy thing, but actually that's why you've been scammed, or maybe that's why you quit so many businesses, because there is no easy way. I'll be honest with you. You gotta learn this thing. You gotta implement the things inside OLSP Academy, or maybe you are using another system. And I think every system is working, because it's stupid that the owner of this system or program that is making this amount of effort and learning, teaching, making and tweaking everything, making the videos for you in order to help you to make money, also is making money, because it's a win-win situation. And at the end, you're not getting results. It's stupid. I mean, so, like I told you, they give you many stuff. Like if you want to market the system through Facebook, they're giving you 2,000 every post, successful post. So all you have to do is just change a little bit of the things of the post, and start to learn how to make clever posts, because there is a lot of people that do in marketing, but actually they're just spamming people. They throwing the links through every Facebook group. This is not a way that intelligent marketers that are doing. So, and you're gonna learn the most important thing, which is building your email list. Email list is one of the best things that you can have, which is an asset, because you can market anything. We know that you can market anything. You can make emails. So, for example, if you have a webinar teaching people some of the things that you learn, you guys, all you have to do is just make an email and schedule it, maybe in the morning, or maybe the time when people are accessing their phones or their computers. So affiliate marketing is great. Also, it has this side, which is email marketing, which is another amazing thing. This is a 24 challenge. So basically, if I'm going to click on this, so there is everything, videos that walks you through the process, how you're going to make money through these 24 channels. So there is points, there is prizes. As you can see, there is a leaderboard here. So for people, they're going to be awarded with high points. So as long as they try to bring in new leads and new commission through their affiliate links and onboarding people to the system, the more they're gonna make sales. So I just going to share this, because I joined the system, but actually I didn't understand it at the first time, and I was not skeptical. I know that yes, there is a way that I can make money, but actually I was not focusing on it, because like I said, I was following this shiny object about people that you can make a lot of money, do this, and actually I made nothing, because I didn't know there is an engineering psychology through marketing, because they're making the seems to me very easy to make money, but at the end there is a lot of failures. There is a lot of things that are missing. So just be aware of this to anyone. If you feel that someone is just using you in order to gain you as a subscriber, so you will just still consuming their content in order to make a buck from you without helping you, and relying on YouTube ads or something like that, just please skip it. Go to another person, or um, go to another marketer, or anyone that you're following which is genuine. So like I said, this is another thing in order to make money, which is just by commenting. And this one I purchased a magic click commission. So basically, I think I spent $16. Also, I get a domain name in order to brand myself, and in order to post my link, because for example, if you're going to market this on Facebook, we know that Facebook don't like pretty much any platform. They don't like that you just throw in links and spamming, because they want the users stay on their platform and watch more ads. That's why. So this is the best way in order to promote your link, because not only while you have your domain name, you can do many things, which is a redirection. So you can redirect with your domain name to a landing page, which is the same one, which has your affiliate link. You can redirect it to anything that you want, which seems professional, and that's why you're not going to get to this hamster wheel of making the same marketing, which is just spamming your affiliate link. But while you have your domain name, you can be professional, because that's your domain name. You look professional, you look that you're in the business, and yeah, you can, like I told you, you can do many things. So with the Magic Link commission, actually, it's I think it's a 14-day trial, when Wine Crowy, which is the owner of OLSP system, is going to help you in order to get 30 cents for each click, and is going to do like a traffic rotator from his email list. He's going to help you. So basically, not only you will get clicks from your affiliate link, but also you will get leads that is going to be associated with your autoresponder. So like I told you, email marketing. So you will get leads, people that are going to follow you on your autoresponder. And after that, they're going to show you everything. There is everything inside. They're going to show you how to make emails, how to sequence the emails, what to send. Everything is inside. And only, I think, is going to cost you below $15. So this is for the starter level, which is the beginner thing. After that, when you get sales and attraction and all that stuff, you want to go all in with this system. You want to learn more. You want to make more commissions. You can go and see what exactly the type of product that you want to learn based on your attention. So, for example, if you want to learn the super affiliate secrets, so this is the product. All you have to do is just watch the video. Everything is here, guys. And how we make money is when people they are sign up, when people they are in your business, because that's a business. Once you are in the journey of leading people to every process, is going to help them, because you need to help them at first. Once people are going to purchase something from you, or they want advanced things, so you're going just to recommend the product associated with what they want. So if we go, for example, to discover more, you will see that there is a product for vertical videos. So basically, we're talking about reels, how to do reels, how to do affiliate marketing or digital marketing with reels, how to be a team builder. This is another thing. Mega Messenger. So they have a software in order to do the automation for you. So it's like they have their own bot. They train the bot in order to answer the questions, all that stuff. So you can go and do other stuff. You can visit your family or hang out with friends, and the bot will do everything for you. There's the OLSP Elite, there is Elite Plus, the Mega Builder software. This is the thing that I purchased, which is the TD pages. And actually, this is what the most clicks I got, which is around 30 cents per click. And also I'm gaining some leads. And to be honest, I was at the top of the leads. My campaign was the best campaign. I got the most of the leads according to my sponsor, because she said that. And I'm gladly that I found a sponsor, a great sponsor around me. So basically, she's helping me to learn everything. Every day, we try to hang out. We do Facebook. We message each others. We learn new methods. We get access to the webinars and the lives and see many successful people, what they're achieving. And there is a lot of things, guys. So guys, at the moment we are close to 150,000 members. Imagine this. This group is amazing. So I'm gonna show you exactly the stats, because I know a lot of people are skeptical. They think that they're scams and they're going to stay without doing anything. But to me, I want to change my life. I want to learn this thing and make money. So this is one of the members. He's sharing his stats. As you can see, they're getting sales. Let's scroll down a little bit. I want to show you another one. All right. So his name is Matt. And as you can see, another sales. Look, it's working. It's working. So the more you do marketing, the more you brand yourself, the more you stay consistent and making content, learn and implement, the more you're gonna get sales. Look at this, another one. It's getting paid with INR, which is the Nigerian currency. So people are from Nigeria, come on, are making money with this system. Amazing. Another payout, another one. This is a bonus rewarding in order to, because we do many marketing in order to help people to be on the top or to get the most leads and most sales. There is many things inside. All right, if you want to join, guys, I will leave my Facebook profile, so feel free to ask me, send me a friend request. So once you're inside, feel free to message me on Facebook and let's talk in order to help you get started. Okay, see you guys with another video. Talk to you soon.